In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare. We'll start in the Cloudflare dashboard. Head to the domains area and choose the option to onboard a domain. This is where you connect a website to Cloudflare so it can provide performance, security, and DNS management. When prompted, either enter an existing domain you already own or explore the option to register a new one through Cloudflare if that's what you prefer. Next, Cloudflare will help you bring in your DNS settings. You'll see three choices: a quick scan that attempts to import your current DNS records automatically, manual entry where you add each record yourself, or uploading a DNS zone file if you have one exported from another provider. To keep things simple for now, select the quick scan option. After the scan, review what Cloudflare found and make sure the entries match your current setup, especially for your website and any services you rely on. You'll then see a setting related to blocking AI training bots. Cloudflare gives you three approaches. Block them on all pages, block only on host names that serve ads, or don't block to allow crawling. For this walkthrough, choose block on all pages to maximize control right away. You can always adjust this later if you need specific bots to access your site. Click Continue to move forward. Now it's time to pick a plan. You'll see Free, Pro, Business, and Enterprise. The free plan is great for getting started and covers the essentials, while Pro and Business add more performance and security features for growing sites, and Enterprise is for advanced needs. Select Free for now, then confirm by choosing Select Plan. Once your site is added, open the DNS section and go to Records. This is the control center for SOA, CNAME, MX, and other records that tell the internet where your services live. You can add or adjust records here as needed, and this is also where you'll verify that the scanned entries look correct. If you're handling email, navigate to email, choose email routing, and open routing rules. From here, you can create addresses that forward messages to your chosen inboxes. It's a straightforward way to receive email on your domain without running a full mail server. For security, go to SSL TLS and open Overview. Make sure the mode is set to full so traffic between Cloudflare and your origin stays encrypted, assuming your server has a certificate. Then, head to Security, open Overview, and select Security Rules to create a rule tailored to your needs. This is where you can define conditions to allow, challenge, or block specific traffic patterns. That's your initial Cloudflare setup done, clean and ready for further tuning.